I bought these two battery-powered knapsack sprayer. Right, so this was the first one I bought. This is solar panel. This is solar powered. So this one, it was here before, but the reason why I removed it was when I brought it to the farm. I used it for a day. It worked. I couldn't confirm whether the panel was working, right? But it didn't work after a day. I took it back to where I bought it from. Then they had to repair it. After they repaired it, I just took off the panel behind because I didn't trust that the panel worked effectively. But for this one that I bought afterwards, I bought this one after this one stopped functioning because I couldn't wait for them to the waiting time for the repair and then return. So I bought this particular one. It's a 16 liter. Yeah, hold on. Let me check. Oh, it's 20 liter. 20 liter knapsack sprayer. I bought 20 liters, the same company. But this one is just battery powered. And the difference between the two is that this one is solar powered and battery, right? By the time the battery runs down, you can just switch to solar. But as I said before, I didn't think it worked because there was no proof that it worked. But you said this battery powered one that I've brought, it works for a whole day, right? Like once you charge it, since I've used it now for about a month, I've not had any reason to return it unlike this one. It works for a full month, for a full day, you know. So I go about how many trips? Close to, I think, about 10 trips a day, and it has never ran down, right? It works perfectly, and it has all of the it has the manual, so just in case the battery goes off. But I've never had any reason to use it. I don't think I pray to have any reason to use it. So it has the manual switch, and then this. So also for this one, I noticed a deficiency in the manual, and I think it's going to be common between the two. Now, it's not as efficient as the other brands. The ones that are manual. It's not as efficient because the rubber that's supposed to apply the pressure is weak. So I cannot say for this one, but for this one I have experienced it with this one. So I do not recommend that you buy the solar one because this also does what the solar will do, right? I do not recommend the solar. So in the next video I will talk about how you do your mixture, because I want to spray my cocoa farm. You can see behind me is my cocoa farm, right? So I want to spray foliar fertilizers on them, and I was advised to do it every two weeks. So I've been using cocoa set, not each cocoa would have used cocoa set, with a bit of other products for herbicide, the ones who eat the leaf, and then some moths who eat the cocoa pods. So yeah, and by then I would have changed because I need to wear my safety gloves, my safety clothes, and my farm clothes to make that video. You can see my blood here, and okay, yeah, this is the sprayer. This is the sprayer for this one. Yes, for this one has a sponge. Then this is the charger. So the charger, when you plug it in light, it's almost weightless. Yeah, it's almost weightless. So when you plug it in the light, it shows green. So by the time you plug it to this, it shows red. That means it's charging, and once it's fully charged, it turns back to green, right? And I also think that it is a fragile tool, unlike the very manual ones, which are very stronger. The only reason is that you gotta grow some muscles. I do not want to grow those muscles, right? So I switched to this one. The price for this one, I bought it 90,000 naira. I bought it 90,000. I bought this one. Is it 65 or 70? So as I said, I would strongly advise that you buy this one. This is a waste of time. It stresses you. These things are very weak. They are not made with quality materials. They're not made with quality materials, so it will stress you. It stressed me. So I highly recommend that you buy this one. This one is better than the solar powered one. So yeah. So we'll move to one time. In the next video, I'll show you how I mix the foliar fertilizer by measurement. This is I have two of this that I use on the farm, so it serves me for, my farm is 8 acres, about 8.5 acres. That's about 3 hectares and some few addition. So this is a 200 liter water here. So we mix it and then we kickstart.